Why can't I just drop the food off?
Because you're going to deal with law enforcement before you drop the food off, okay?
All right, folks, welcome back. We got a crazy video. This one comes to you from J Spade 12. This DoorDash delivery driver went inside the building, and the first time he went, he was harassed. And the second time he went, they trespassed him from the building. Let's keep in mind, folks, that he is a delivery driver for DoorDash and he's delivering food. Another channel called Eyes on the State left a comment asking Tampa PD, I'm local, hit me up. So this is going to be at the University of Tampa. You guys, I'm going to drop the link for the original video in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys go subscribe. Let them know that I sent you. Let's get right to the video, folks. This one is crazy.
What's going on, man?
I'm just trying to drop off food.
Okay, so...
Is it really that serious?
Listen, we're not arguing.
I'm not arguing either.
Okay, so what is it he's trying to tell you?
It doesn't matter what he's trying to tell me. I'm just trying to drop off food. Why can't I just drop the food off? I'm just waiting for people to come get the food.
Because you're going to deal with law enforcement before you drop the food off, okay?
I mean, that's stress.
Tonight?
I did nothing but walk in to the spot where they
said... You have your license on you?
No, I don't.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Well, I need your license.
Please tell me the reason that you need my license.
Because they're trespassing you.
I'm not trespassing.
Are you ready?
No, you cannot do this. What are you doing? Why are y'all hitting me? Please.
No, I'm gonna have a bad day. You need to settle down.
I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
I'm not.
Stand up.
I can't. You're. Please
Stand up.
I'm sorry. I can't do anything. You're. Why are you breaking my ear? I cannot do it. Oh shit! I'm sorry. I can't. I'm sorry.
I should have thought about that, huh?
No, I fell backwards. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you didn't
Listen
to my lawful command.
It's an argument.
I asked. Yeah, I have.
So maybe we can do this again. You can get up there, sit on the curb.
I
explained.
You're gonna stop talking and you're gonna listen, okay?
Yes.
You're gonna stand up and you're gonna sit on the curb and you're gonna ID yourself.
Thank you. That was a little bit easier.
Now sit on the curb. Sit on the curb.
I'm sorry, my leg hurts.
Be an adult. Come on. You tried to shut a door on a law enforcement officer, okay? That's battery on a law enforcement officer. You really want to go there? You really want to go there?
I'm not trying to.
Because that's a felony, okay? And I will bring your butt right to jail,
I'm not
okay?
trying to do anything.
So you can ID yourself.
You guys said that I was entering
No.
but I was allowed in.
They wanted you to trespass. I asked you for your ID. You then trespass the door, my friend. We're not doing that.
Is this
That's not
anybody's?
how this goes,
Before I give
alright?
it to him?
No, is there a
That's
police
it.
there?
Where's your ID?
This is ridiculous. Why
What's that?
I get treated like this? I'm just trying to.
That's your DoorDash?
Yeah.
What anymore?
I'm just trying to deliver.
Yeah.
Here, bud.
You okay? Why are you coming here knowing that there's people here? Watch it. I got a car here.
I'm not telling him to
Shut a
back
door
up.
in
You
my
can't.
face.
All right, okay.
No, I did not shut the door in your face.
Okay.
Oh, I just walked on.
We'll unlock it. Just roll.
Yeah, I know I'm right. Thank you.
Is this your car? Oh.
That's his car.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, can you put it over there and block? Or let's see what's gonna do.
Steve spotted. I just pulled up and tried to deliver food.
I get it. All I wanted to do was ask you why you didn't stop.
I'm sorry. I didn't see the fucking stop sign that you're talking about, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, I get that, but all I wanted to do is just get there.
And I'm sorry. I apologize.
I accept your apology, I appreciate that.
I'm sorry for whatever the hell is going on.
But you were just kind of like, I don't know why you're so competitive.
Because they attacked me earlier.
We didn't attack you earlier. We just told you
But
that
I
you don't
told
belong
you
in the
that they.
building.
But I told you at the same time, like I didn't know that was. What's
That's
that
why
even?
I told you
Come on,
listen,
though.
just
What was
listen
I
to
doing?
us.
I was just
You're
sitting
not
at a
listening again.
table.
You're not listening again.
Okay.
When we was telling you before, we was telling you just you're not allowed in the building, just wait outside for them,
You're right.
and they'll come out and get their food. That's what they do here.
I'm sorry,
And
but
that's
I
it.
didn't know that.
But that's what we were trying to tell you, but you didn't give us a chance to tell you.
Down. No, you guys surrounded me. I had no idea what was going on.
Right, that's because we didn't know who you were.
From Amazon drivers to DoorDash drivers, cops earn the hate. That's one comment that we keep getting on our videos. Cops earn the hate. That is a true statement, folks. Another comment that we get a lot of is back the blue until it happens to you. That's the truth, folks. Cops earning the hate, and even if you back the blue, one day it'll happen to you. There have been a lot of people that have commented and have stated the fact that they always respected police until they found a bad cop who violated their rights. One bad cop can make it bad for all the cops out there. One bad cop can make a lot of people lose trust in policing in general. A lot of the Back to Blue supporters will say things like, not all cops are bad. But how true is that statement? If a bad cop is violating somebody's rights and the good cop doesn't do anything to stop him, is that good cop still a good cop, or is he also a bad cop? What happened to being professional and courteous towards the people? What's up with this us versus them mentality and the blue line flag? There is a division between law enforcement and the people. How and when will we bridge that gap? And can it ever be bridged? Cops have an umbrella of protection when they violate somebody's rights, folks. That umbrella is called qualified immunity, internal investigations, police unions. And the fact that cops never have to pay out of pocket when they screw up is mind-blowing. Cops screw up, we pay for their attorneys. We screw up, we have to pay for our own attorneys. Cops get found guilty and a person gets awarded a lawsuit. That money comes from the constituents, folks. Not from the cop's pension, not from the police department, but the taxpayers have to fork that bill. This is an unsustainable system, folks. Sure, it's sustainable for government to keep growing. It doesn't really matter if you get found innocent or guilty. You're tying up the courts. In actuality, police are the ones tying up the courts when they say things like, we're just going to take you to jail. We'll let the courts deal with it. Police are being thrown out in the streets with a uniform and a badge and a gun without even knowing people's natural rights. I have asked a lot of cops if they know the First Amendment of the Constitution, and none of them seem to know it, folks. The first law of the land. There are 5 elements in the First Amendment. You have a freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. So important, the Second Amendment was written to protect it. These elements don't give us our rights. We were born with natural rights. The Bill of Rights, the Constitution, the amendments, these were written to limit the scope of authority that public officials have over we, the people. Well, it's no wonder that government hates the fact that we have a Constitution. They're always trying to override the Constitution with bureaucracy, ordinances, and policies. You need to be on the lookout for that, folks. If you don't know your natural rights, sad to say, but you don't have any rights. If you're a parent and you're sending your kids out to grab you some Starbucks, or they ask permission to go to a theater or a football game or a dance, and you're sending them out on the streets without them knowing their natural rights, you are actually putting your kids in danger. Now, I'm not going to be too hard on you, because the fact of the matter is, we as parents don't always know the dangers that lurk. But now you guys know that if your kids don't know their rights, cops sure are not going to tell your kids that they have rights. On the contrary, they're going to make your kids believe that they have to comply to every demand. You don't want that to happen to your kids, folks. Nor do you want that to happen to friends and family. Know your rights, people. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to my channel because we will teach you guys some stuff here. And also make sure you go subscribe to JSpade12 who recorded this video and it has a YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. If you guys have videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. We will see you guys on the next video. Have yourselves a blessed day and always record police. Record police now, folks. Don't wait. Peace out.